Hi, this is Aishling from Shannon Library. Today we're going to make some lovely woodland creatures wall art. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So all you need for this is some colouring pencils or markers, or if you have paint, brilliant. Some like crayons if you have those. Anything really that you can draw little faces with. What you're going to need is you're going to need an adult to cut out some shapes out of cardboard for you. So any kind of cardboard, I just use like an old cardboard box to make this one, or like a cornflakes box or anything like that. So it's really simple. What we've made is a little bear, a little badger, a fox and a deer. So all I have done, and actually you're going to need 4 strips of cardboard as well, just little strips like that as well, because we're going to use that to hang up your lovely wall art. So all you need to do is get an adult to cut out these shapes for you, and then you can have loads of fun drawing whatever faces you want to make. So for the little bear, all I did was draw like a colour in a little circle there of yellow. Give him 2 little black circles for his eyes, a little nose, a little smiley mouth. I gave him some white fluffy ears, a little bit of white fluff up here, and that's your bear. So you can draw whatever face you want on your lovely bear. So this is going to be our badger. So again, really simple, just a little black nose, just coloured him in black and white. Nice stripy badger for you. This guy here is your little fox. So all I did was colour him in some nice reddy brown colour on his face and give him 2 nice little eyes, a little black nose, a little white muzzle and some white fluffy ears for him. So this guy here is our lovely little deer. So the little deer, I gave her 2 little black circles for eyes, just drew a little nose, a little white muzzle on her, and I gave her nice colourful spots there. So you can really draw whatever faces you want on your lovely woodland creatures. For the deer, I just got 2 bits of twigs and just sellotape them onto the back there. So if you can't get twigs, you can also cut out lovely antlers out of cardboard. You could try that. And all you do then is just sellotape them on the back. And to hang up your wall art, so you might want to hang all of these on the wall when you're done with them. You're just going to take the little strip of cardboard and just kind of bend it a bit so it's a little bit curved. And then all you do is just stick it on the back there. It's just sellotaped on the back there. And then you can just hang like a little bit of string out of them and you'll be able to hang them on the wall. So that's your lovely woodland creatures. So I hope you have loads of fun. And if you want to try all different creatures, you could try maybe some little bunnies as well. And you'll have loads of lovely wall art of all your woodland creatures.